Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset OPPO A57 2022 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who forgot their password. Okay, so you can see phone locked, try again in 28 seconds. Okay, to do hard reset, just press and hold the power and volume up key together like this. Okay, so now slide down to power it off like this. Okay, now press and hold the volume down and power up. Here you can see, now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds like this. Just press and hold it, and now release. So you can see, now select the language, volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. Just select the language, and guys, you can see it will send you in recovery. You can see wipe data, reboot, or power off. Okay, now tap on wipe data. So guys, you can see wipe data, format data. Now tap on format data. So guys, you can see, please enter the verification code. You can see 9293. Okay, now enter it, 9293, and guys, you can see all user data will be reset, and this cannot be undone. Okay, now tap on the format. So you can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. So you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO A57 2022 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.